On today's episode, Tesla Cybertruck's paintless ultra-tough stainless steel exterior is already resulting in much lower insurance premiums, and Tesla appears to be ramping up Cybertruck production as fleet is spotted. The Cybertruck is famous, or, depending on who you ask, infamous, for its triangular-shaped silhouette and exposed shiny stainless steel exterior. Previously, we discussed how understanding the function over form approach Tesla took when designing the Cybertruck helps you fall in love with the triangular exposed stainless steel truck. Using stainless steel, especially ultra-hard cold-rolled stainless steel, has advantages such as strength and durability. The Cybertruck's exterior, as has been demonstrated, is bulletproof to a Tommy gun and barely gets scratched by a hunting bow and arrow shot from a close range. Even a heavy assault from folks at CarWow on the Cybertruck in their recent video at Giga Texas was unable to put a dent on the truck. In addition to its durability, using stainless steel has also allowed Tesla to remove paint from the Cybertruck's exterior. Why is that important? Paint is, 1, expensive, and 2, fragile. Paint takes away durability points from any brawny off-roading vehicle. What good is designing an ultra-rugged capable vehicle if every time you take it off-road, it's potentially going to come back with paint damage that can cost an arm and a leg to repair? Although it might not seem like it to some people, paint is one of the single most expensive components of any vehicle. When a vehicle's paint is damaged for any reason, reapplying it can cost thousands of dollars. With the ultra-hard stainless steel and paintless exterior, Tesla has built a truly rugged vehicle. As Elon Musk has said, if Al Capone came and unloaded the entire drum magazine of a Tommy onto the side of your Cybertruck, you would be safe. That is, of course, not a real concern for most people. However, what particular benefits are early Cybertruck owners reaping from the Cybertruck's rugged exterior? According to Truck, who has one of the early 1000 Foundation Series Cybertrucks that cost $100,000 in order, he shared on X that he was quoted $189 per month in insurance premiums for full coverage of his truck. To put this number into context, the average cost for full coverage insurance in the U.S. is $2,008 per year or $167 per month. The Cybertruck's premium at $189 per month or $2,209 per year is slightly higher than the average. However, the Cybertruck is significantly more expensive than the average car in the U.S. Gregory did not give us more detail about which insurance provider he's using, the state he lives in, and other things that factor into his final insurance premium price. Still, from our early data point, it appears that the Cybertruck relative to its price will be cheap to insure. Currently, this is the first insurance quote we've seen for the Cybertruck. However, we'll be sure to keep you posted as more Cybertrucks hit the street. In another news, Tesla appears to be ramping up Cybertruck production as fleet is spotted. Tesla appears to be ramping up Cybertruck production early as a decent fleet has been spotted at Gigafactory, Texas. After Tesla delivered only 10 Cybertrucks at the launch event last month, there were some concerns that Tesla would pull a Tesla semi-launch and only deliver a few more vehicles throughout the next few months. Like it won't be the case. We already reported on how Tesla started reaching out to reservation holders to convert their reservations into orders, with deliveries starting right now in Texas and California. The Cybertruck is currently production constrained, but it looks like Tesla is already ramping up and seems to be able to deliver the new electric pickup truck in significant numbers. Joe Tetmeyer, a drone pilot who often flies over Gigafactory, Texas, spotted a fleet of nearly 40 Cybertrucks at the factory. As per Tetmeyer's observations, there were 19 Cybertrucks being prepped for shipping, a few more in testing areas, and about 15 more parked at the south end of the factory. The amount of Cybertruck activity at the plant is a good sign that Tesla is actively ramping up production. However, it will still take a long time for Tesla to work through its backlog of reservations, even if the higher prices announced last month result in cancellations. CEO Elon Musk said that he expects it would take Tesla about 18 months to ramp up to a volume production of about 250,000 units annually. but production ramps are not smooth. It will be interesting to track Cybertruck production in the coming months and see how quickly can Tesla ramp up to 1,000 units per week. So what do you think? Excited to see that the Cybertruck is cheaper to insure relative to its price? Do you think given its stainless steel exterior it should be even cheaper to insure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up today if you liked it. That is so important for getting our content out to more people. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.